Hi guys, welcome to Nickmo Vibes YouTube channel once again, and it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. So today we are going to talk about using personal access tokens with Git and GitHub, because recently people have been receiving issues whenever they try pushing Git commit on their GitHub account. So I'll be showing you how to do it. As per GitHub standards, you how to use the access token with Git and GitHub so that you can push your files to your GitHub account. So guys, we have noticed that we'll be having many people are experiencing issue while they are trying to push their files on their GitHub account using Git via terminal. So I'll just do a practical thing of the kind of error that is received on such scenarios. So just create a readme md file. So I'll just touch it was to do list. I have a git access and I have readme.md file there. So if I want to push now these files, normally what we are used to do is we'll just check git status. So I have untracked sub-untracked files, as you can see here. So I'll just add them. So I'll just git add all, just do simply by that. Then do git status to check. So now they are ready, so I'll just commit them. Git commit that is main test, then done. So now this is a part whereby you'll experience issues. You're just going to do git push. Since already we are on our remote directory to our test subject, which is GitHub access. You can confirm by doing git remote v. So as you can see, I'm on GitHub access, that is fetch and push. So I can always pull and fetch from this. So next thing I'll do, I'll just do git push. So after doing git push, what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to input my username, which is Nick Peters. Done. Then input my password. So if you were to check this, I'm told that a password for HTTP remote support for password authentication was removed on August 13, 2021, which means since August 13, 2021, you can no longer use your password to push your files to your GitHub account. So you'll need something we call Git access token. So how do you locate your GitHub access token? So all you have to do is go to your browser. So this is my browser. So you need to go to your profile. So this is my profile. Then just go to settings. So under settings, you'll just go to developer settings. Then now you have, as you can see, you have auth and personal access tokens here. So under personal access token, now for me I had generated one because I've been pushing actively. So I'll show you how to create your access token. You'll just generate a new token. So name it as hash. We can call it hash. So just do the expiration date. You can choose either 30 days or you can choose no expiration, which means that will be your access token. Let's just choose 30 days. Then we can just click or check all these marks. This is to ensure that you don't confuse. So let's just check. So now we can generate token. So it tells you that make sure a copy of your personal access token now. Make sure to copy your personal access token now. You won't be able to see it again. So this is a personal access token that I just generated. So I'll just copy it by clicking that. Then we can go back to our, we can try again, once again now. So you'll just do Git Push. Done. Then input your username. Done. Then paste. I'll just click, I'll just copy your access token. And I had don't know. So make sure you copy this access token. This is what I've copied, and now I'll just paste that here. I've already pasted. So once I do that, you see I was able now to push. So that is how you can locate your personal access token and use it to push your files on your GitHub account. And if you're new, so guys, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video.